고인인도 센스나게 너무 참말라 다시틀레 구상보 줄레 슈인 다들이 너무 돌아야 준비시에 뒤做 같이되으나 어제 라브 총나는데 인지티 땡기 코디 원에 인 캘리포닉스 니모라진 송수시오레 내가 또 쇼소가베안 고난도 쇼소다 대외 베톤에 쇼소 냠시 인게 주변에 어셈블리 송어라 노다르시 노래를 쉐리를 보레 엔트린디 쇼소가 또 너무 돌아 준비시오레 대한시 니고 잡는 진의 시베 대전전적이 가르치우르스나 엔나모솔레야 준비시에기 참바소데 같이 되으스나 캘리포닉스 대외 베톤에 담시에레 인연지레 담주레 되네 가리 시에다에서 어떻게 뭔지 요레 남부도 독도병원에 시로나 슈인 라스에
Our assembly song, Class 5S students will recite a speech of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Never give up. Class 5S, please. Never give up. 1, 2, 3.
Never give up. By His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. Never give up. No matter what is going on. Never give up. Develop the heart. Too much energy in your country is spent developing the mind instead of the heart. Develop the heart. Be compassionate, not just with your friends, but with everyone. Be compassionate. Work for peace in your heart and in the world. Work for peace. And I say again, never give up. No matter what is going on around you, never give up.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
Next, we have an assembly song called Happiness.
It's a world of laughter, a world of tears. It's a world of hopes and a world of fears. There's so much that we share and a time you are in. It's a small world after all. 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 It's a small, small world. There's just one moon and a golden sun and a smiling friendship to everyone. From the mountain one and the ocean one, it's a small world after all. 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 It's a small, small world. It's a world of laughter and a world of tears. It's a world of hopes and a world of fears. There's so much that we share that it's time to live. It's a small world after all. 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 It's a small, small world. There's just one moon and a golden sun and a smiling friendship to everyone. Though the mountains one and the oceans one, it's a small world after all. 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 It's a small, small world. It's a small world after all. It's a small world after all. It's a small world after all. It's a small, small world. It's a small world after all. It's a small world after all. It's a small world after all. It's a small, small world.
This Jolly Phonics Day program at 2:30 p.m. after lunch in our junior section hall. Hope you all will have a great fun and will be there at right time. Thank you and have a nice day.
A very warm welcome to all. School principal, headmaster, respected teachers, and amalas, and my friends on the floor. Today we are embarking on a fun-filled journey into the world of letters and sounds. Jolly phonics.
Our class 4 students have read poems, rhymes, and many songs. Hope you all will enjoy this program.
First, we will recite 2 jolly red reader books, The Rocket and Monsters. The Rocket. 1, 2, 3. I wish I had a rocket to zoom up to the clouds and jet around the stars a bit, and land on planet Mars, then orbit around the sun until it got too hot, then zoom back on a comet's tail for a picnic on the moon. Monsters. 1, 2, 3. Monsters, monsters, monsters. Monsters stomp and step. Monster crash and crash. Monster flap and flap. Monster wail and shout. Monster bang and clang. Monster hop and stop. Monsters are sleeping.
Our class 4 boys will recite 1 poem and 2 rhymes. My senses. 1, 2, 3. Here are my eyes. My eyes are for seeing. Seeing things of red and blue. Seeing me and seeing you. Here are my ears. My ears are for hearing. Hearing ringing of tingling bells. Hearing the secret my best friend tells. Here is my tongue. My tongue is for testing. Testing pitches so sweet. Or so deep, or deep. Here is my nose. My nose is for smelling. Smelling rain in the air. Or a freshly shampoo hair. Here are my hands. My hands are for feeling. Feeling cold, cold snow. Or a soft velvet boat. This old man, he played one. He played it for my drum with a lick and carry it was a boat. This old man went rolling home. This old man, he played too. He played it for my shoe with a lick and carry it was a boat. This old man went rolling home. This old man, he played tree. He played it for my feet with a lick and carry it was a boat. This old man went rolling home. This old man, he played four. He played it for my door with a lick and carry it was a boat. This old man went rolling home. This old man, he played five. He played it for my heart with a lick and carry it was a boat. This old man went rolling home. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little swing wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little swing wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little swing wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
Today we are going to perform a drama called The Three Billy Goats Club. First we are going to introduce ourselves. My name is Tidan Sumo. I am the narrator. My name is Sinama. I am the first Billy Goat Club. My name is Sunameki. I am the second Billy Goat Club. My name is Rizin Mamo. I am the third Billy Goat Club. My name is Ricky Chunda. I am third. I am hungry. I am going over the bridge to eat grass. Sheep track, sheep track, sheep track. Up to the shop. I am going to eat her up. Oh no, don't eat me. Eat the second Billy Goat Club. He's big and fat. I am hungry. I am going over the bridge to eat the grass. Sheep track, sheep track, sheep track. Up to the shop. I am going to eat her up. Oh no, don't eat me. Eat
안드릴 레전드 근데 중세 남소 아니 또 총이나 가다 tenju다 하는 신기 대유술라 유고는 유대 토문요 나르나 쉐이 너도 지밀레스나 이제요 다든들 겨든 이제 고지 개잡도 내봐다 표시진 님도 영향이 기빈이만 교는 유도 샤오쇼 수민도 쉬어다 이제 참 주시오이 상물라 토지체